Isn't it supposed to be half? What a waste.
It is half full.
Give me a regular cup. Isn't that the bottleneck?
Pour it like this.
It is totally full.
Try this one.
They even praised me. That really hurt me.
I have a cup for you to use. Give it to me. Pour the water first. This is a normal cup.
Yeah, this is good. What are you laughing at?
Nothing. Drink up.